really good. Oh, what's up, my people? This is Big Mama. I'm looking at the Clark's movies. This is so good, the Clark sisters. I'm Big Mama from the collection. And this is a great movie. A great movie. A great movie. Oh, did someone sneeze? 6 feet, please. 6 feet, please. Oh, you looking at me and I'm looking at you. Oh, I'm sorry. You just want a bottle of Creek? I will make sure I get that for you because you know I'm on a mission to make my commission. Watch out, don't sneeze. But I will make sure I get your bottle of Creed. 6 feet, please.
You've been nominated for Best Soul